Hello everyone, como está café? It's your girl Jasmine here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different head wrap styles that you can do during the spring, summer, fall, winter, pretty much any time of year. These styles are so easy to do and I've gotten so many requests to do them, so I was like, you know what, let me get people them what they want. I'll make sure to link everything down below for you, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, I always like to prep my hair before getting started on any head wrap style just to make sure that my hair doesn't get really dry in the process. So I just took some of my Giovanni, mixed it with water, and spritzed it along the length of my locks. Now, for the first style, which is a low bun, I am tying up my hair loosely at the base of my neck, and then I'm taking my edge control gel and I'm just smoothing it out. I know, a lot of times it's okay to have your edges out and free, but with this style, I like it to be nice and neat. You feels me? So we're gonna wrap that up. And then I'm taking this red scarf from Femme Jum because I can't seem to find my black head wrap, y'all. If you've seen it anywhere, just let me know, y'all. I am covering most of my hair up, making sure to cover up the ends of my locks with the scarf, and then I'm twisting the ends of the headband and wrapping it around itself so it is a nice structured bun. And this is pretty much the finished look. Now, I just realized that I have some quilted northern in my backdrop, so we're gonna have to change that out. I'm taking this Airbrow eyebrow gel and putting it on my edges. Totally optional, you don't need to do this, but you know, sometimes I want to feel a little bit more confident in my styles, you feels me? So yeah, I'm just gonna make the edges a little darker. And this is the finished look. For the second style, I'm making sure that my edges are laid and out the way while we prep for the high bun. So after I do that, I am just putting my hair up in a loose high bun, and then I'm putting a bonnet over the locks up top. After the bonnet, I'm putting on a sock. I find it to be so secure and it gives me that spheric or round structure that we're looking for in a nice high bun. I fold my scarf 1/3 of the way, and then I start by applying it towards the back of my head, and then towards the front, I'm crisscrossing it, and I want to have that upside down V at the very middle of my head. And now I am just making sure to place the scarf neatly over top, making sure that the wrap is somewhat smooth up top, as you see what I'm doing here. And then I just tuck in the ends of that. That is pretty much it. All I gotta do is just fix that V in the middle to make sure it stays in the middle, and just pull the head wrap back a little bit just to show some of the edges that I laid so beautifully earlier. And this is the finished look. With the next style, I am keeping my hair down and I am just combing it back with my fingers all the way back. I am taking that same scarf, I folded it halfway, and I'm starting on the front of my head, tying it in the back. And the style, the real style for this is in the front. So I'm going to be twisting both ends of the head wrap, and then I'm going to tie it in the front loosely. But that is not where it ends. No sir, no ma'am. I want it to look like a really elegant rope style. So what we're going to do is wrap it around some more, and that's going to give it a more twisted look. As you see here, it is so beautiful. And I like to spritz my hair just to make sure I got some hang time. A lot of times my hair likes to stick up all over the place, but that leave-in conditioner is the truth. But this is the finished look. This is probably one of my favorite styles that I will definitely be rocking this summer. With this style, I'm doing the same process as before, combing my hair back, starting the head wrap in the front, tying it in the back, making sure it's secure. And then in the front, and please don't mind the grease stains, y'all. You will not see that at the end. In the front, we are just going to do one cross, like so, and tuck in the ends in the back. This is such a beautiful, easy, effortless turban style, and it covers up the grease stains nicely. Last but certainly not least, I am going to do a lock pompadour. Now, y'all, my hair is short at the moment, so I can't do a proper pompadour with my own locks. So what we are going to be using is some lock extensions that are found on Amazon. And Lord, I had to MacGyver this, but it actually worked out really well. So I'm tying the lock extension around itself, and then I am just twisting the lock extension, and I will be bringing that around like so and just tying it against itself in the back. And I made sure to keep my locks out the way using that hair bonnet and sock like before. Once the pompadour is in place, I'm taking my scarf, making sure to cover up the sock, crossing in the front. But before I tie this scarf securely, I'm going to make sure to bring the pompadour down. If your locks are long, you don't gotta do all of this, okay? But being that I have short locks, you know, I just gotta do what I gotta do. But this is the finished look, and I absolutely love it. You cannot tell me nothing, okay? All right, that is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. This lets me know that these are the types of videos you want to see from moi. And also comment down below and let me know what sorts of videos you want to see from me next, and I will do my very best to film and upload it for you as quickly as I can. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace, girl.